Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video I'm just going to be showing you some project shares and some happy mail that I have received, and I can't wait to get into it because these little crafty projects were so fun to create. Be sure and check out their channels. They're going to be all linked down below because I don't want to miss out on any details for their giveaways. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start with Virginia, Sweet Virginia, over at Martin and Author Speaker on YouTube. Like I said, her channel will be linked down below. So she was asking for something whimsical. So what I created here was a cute little ruffle. And it's got a little bit of elasticity there, so she could put it on maybe the edge of a page. I think she's going to work on a journal, so that would look so super cute. I made that myself. And then I decided to add this little booklet. It's got tiny little mushrooms in it. Very simple, but super sweet. I love the colors of it. And then here I also made her like a journaling card, and then this is a playing card, and I cut out a tab for it, and then I put a little sentiment there that says whimsy. And then on the back you can see some cute little florals there. She could do a little journaling here if she so chooses. And then I made her this little tag that says never stop exploring, and it's got a little bit of this sari silk. I did some stitching all the way around it, and it's blank on the back. And then I have this massive journaling card with a little bit of birds on it and these little florals. It's super pretty. And then this could be like a journal, like for her cover for a journal. I forget what they're called. I keep wanting to call them book plates, but I know they're not book plates. Like a journal topper. So I made this. I just added some lace, and then I picked up from the liquidation sale some pictures like this that were very whimsy. I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect for Virginia. I added this little sticker here with a butterfly and then a die cut from Paper Studios, and I thought it went really good. And then you can kind of see the shifts in the color here, like it's foiled, so it's very pretty. And then I embellished a sweet little envelope for her that I made. So I did some collaging. I add a little mushroom there, and then I put explore down here. And this is from a book, and then the remnants from the tag as well as the image. And then on the back, I'm not going to open it. I put a little bit of napkins, I think a playing card, and a few other things that I don't remember. Everything that I could fit in there because it was kind of hard to shut. So, and then here I know she loves unicorns, so I came across some of these napkins and I decided to share this one with her, and it is so pretty, and it doesn't get any more whimsical than like a unicorn. So yeah, that's for Virginia. I probably should have given her a heads up. She don't want to see what I'm sending her, but oh well. So yes, moving on to the next one. Yeah, her giveaway is coming to a close already. So next up we have this one for Jennifer from Scrapbooks and Memories. So she had 3 different themes that you could choose from, and one of them was 90s, a 90s theme, and I was like, yup, that's me right there. So I'm gonna make her something 90s. And so when I think of 90s, I think color, I think bright, I think fun. And so yeah, this is what I created for her. So be sure and check out her details down in the description below. You too can join in on her challenge. She's asking for like a large pocket and or a large pocket and or like a little folio thing. All right, so here I attached a sweet little dangle. It's got all these cute little beads and stuff. It's very pretty. And then I tied it with this cute little ribbon in the front, a little rainbow ribbon. This was actually from a present, like a birthday gift, and they were gonna toss it, and I salvaged it because I thought it was so pretty. I was like, that doesn't deserve to be in the trash. It's too cute. So I asked them if I could keep it, and they said yes. Alright, so I decided to make a large pocket, so we got pockets everywhere, and I'm about to show you guys. But let's start out with our dangle here. So this is a fun tab and it pulled out a massive journaling card, and I did stitching all the way around it, and then she could do some journaling there if she so chooses. And then I put in another journaling card here, and it's got a huge telephone, rotary phone. So cute, if she can add a little dangle there if she wants to too. And then you can see the stitching on the back that I did there around the writing spot. And then I decided to include some tattoos because I feel like this is such a 90s thing. So there's like butterflies and then these little, I don't know what to call them, but they're super cute, and I think the colors coordinate really nicely. And then again, I picked this up from a liquidation sale, and it's supposed to be from Crayola. Isn't that cute? I love it. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect for Jenny. I'm gonna put it in there. And then I put in a couple more goodies. I think that's it for the top pocket. So it comes with this like bright colored little guitar. It's double-sided, as well as a sneaker. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back real quick. All right, now we're back. And then this here is a pocket too. And this is a pocket as well. So here's a pocket, and then this is a pocket. So I included crossword puzzle thing here, because really that's like what you did back in the day. You bought them books and then you would fill those out. A little coloring postcard. And then this, it's like vellum, but it's like thick, so she could use that for whatever she wants. She could actually put some adhesive and then make pockets out of that if she wants to. It's super cute. So yes, and then if we flip on over to this side, I included some goodies in here as well. So here I did a huge journaling card, and then it says, I see no reason to act my age, which is so true. And then I included this blue envelope, which I thought went really good with the colors. So there's that pocket. And then if we turn it over on this side, I did some collaging. I embellished it. So cute. I really, really like it. And then inside the pocket, I put a journaling tag. It says today, and then did some stitching around it. And then a boom box. Cute. And then some more tattoos for fun. So yeah, this is what I made for Jenny, and I really hope that she likes it. And I can't wait to send it off to her. Alright, so those were the Happy Mails. I'm going to go ahead and move right along to the Happy Mails that I received, some giveaway winnings, and then some surprise Happy Mail as well. Alright, so the first one is some giveaway winnings from our sweet Kathy over at Kathy's Favorite Things. She does hauls. She's a huge supporter of when other crafters here do challenges, and I enjoy watching her unboxings. She recently did like Halloween makeups, like little shorts and stuff. Be sure and check those out. I'm going to cut it from, well, let me see if I can open it this end. So I commented on her shorts, and I ended up winning this cutie. As you guys know, like a while ago, y'all seen like the 90s little pocket that I made for Jenny. So speaking of 90s, I saw this cutie and I can't believe that I won it. Oh, she sent me some extras. Thank you, Kathy. Ooh, cute. Okay. I love that. They're different colors, which are perfect. BB, congrats on your winnings. XO, Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy. She packaged this so cute. Which, speaking of Kathy, she's also doing For the Love of Packaging, so be sure and check out her channel down below so that if you want to join in on that, you can. She recently did a Labubu and journal giveaway, so congrats to the winners. Look how cute. Okay, So I saw this and I thought it would be very fitting. It's bigger than I thought. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Okay, initially I thought this was gonna fit my journal, but my journal might be a little too flimsy for this, because this is, I mean, I thought it was smaller. I mean, it's perfect. It is perfect. But I don't know why it translated differently on screen. I thought it was smaller. But this guy's huge. It's like an octopus. Oh my word. Kathy, this is a lot of work. Look how she did this. Doesn't this like scream 90s? Let me get my journal and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, sorry that this video is going to be a little bit of a mess. I had been filming, well, I thought I was filming, but I ended up receiving a call and it ruined my unboxing, and the whole time I was like, oh, cute, look at this, you know. So it's not going to be the same emotion as it was when I was unboxing these cuties, but I was saying how this is from my sweet friend Jovi. She's in the middle of the move, and I still don't know how she managed to submit happy mails, join in collaborations, and she would definitely have the crown for multitasker, for sure, because, like, and then making printables, too, like, she just, I don't know how she does it. I really don't. Like, I want to be a fly on her wall and see how she does it all. But she made this beautiful card for me with this sweet little cutie, and I was saying how she had used different textures so you can definitely feel it, and then she did some stenciling. It's super cute. And then we have this cutie here. I'm trying to remember everything that I said because the first time it was so raw. And then this says favorite things, so she attached this sweet little cutie here. And if we open it on the inside, we have a sweet little note, which I said I wasn't going to share, but she was wishing me a happy little autumn, which same for you, my sweet Jovi. I hope that everything goes well, and I pray that everything goes just perfect for you while you are doing your move. Then she sent me some more handmade goodies. So she created this little envelope, sweet little pocketbook envelope. And inside and I love kittens, love kittens. And then this is like my favorite weather is like autumn and stuff. So she included some little hearts. And I was saying how if you take a book page, say for instance like your journal, and you put these on the side, you could do some stitching down the middle of it, and they make cute little tabs. So I said that the first time I filmed. I hope I'm not getting any calls because it ruined it. She made this sweet little pocket with some cute little washi tape, and she used a book page. Super cute. And then she also included another little pocket with some sweet little die cuts, which whoever made those, like, you have a lot of patience. I definitely don't. Cute little washi tape there. And then on the inside, she included some of these little die cuts with pages. And then I was saying how this looked handmade. There's like glitter bits in there, and I was curious how she was able to cut through something so thin like this, because I feel like it's very easy to get caught in the punch. So she was able to do that successfully. Thank you so much. And I was saying how they're gonna go in my journal. This feels horrible having to refilm it. I don't like that. I'm so sad that I have to refilm it. And I was saying, Jovi, thank you so much again for letting me be part of her design team. I'm just about done with one of the projects that I was supposed to share months ago, but I fell behind. Okay, so here, but she's very patient. I'm a guest designer, so that definitely takes a lot of pressure off of me. So be sure and check out her printables up on her Etsy. You're gonna find some cute stuff, which I don't know how she's managed to do that with the move, but she has. And you get a lot for your buck. So be sure and check out Jovi's channel for those of you who are new to my channel. All right, and so here we have some sweet little stamps, and this happy mail, these giveaway winnings come from our sweet and beautiful Janet K over at Sunflower Crafts. She is a huge advocate for breast cancer awareness, and whenever I had posted a video of like my ordeal with what was happening with my breast, and she reached out to me, and I thought that was so sweet. So she's a huge supporter of my channel too. She has actually purchased some of my journals too, and she's a huge supporter of others. She makes beautiful cards as well, and so I feel very honored to have won these little sweet goodies. I love her hauls when she sits in her car and she's showing off like her hauls, like her goodies that she's bought. Sometimes she purchases them off of Amazon, or off of the marketplace, and as well as like thrifting. So I enjoy those. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to remember. I feel like now it's ruined this video. But anyways, she sent me these cute little seals, and they've got cute little florals. I love it. I just can't wait to use that, as well as the packaging. I'm going to use them for actual true junk journals. So yeah, I'm going to keep the packaging, the cute little stamps. Great for documenting dates and stuff. Perfect. And then she sent me a beautiful little prayer card. It says today's prayer. For the word of the Lord is right and true. He is faithful in all he does. Psalms 33:4. This is going to go in my Bible. Anytime I receive any of these, they go in my Bible. So thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate all that y'all do for taking time to think of me and for sending me these wonderful giveaway winnings and happy mails. And for Jenny, for Kathy, and for Virginia, y'all's happy mail is on y'all's way for my entry. All right, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care.